Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for feedback on a new product launch. Suppose your company launched a new product and wants to know what your initial buyers think. Doing this manually can be very exhausting and time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send messages to the initial buyers and automate this whole process for us. So if you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created. Before we begin the procedure of creating this amazing chatbot, first let's see how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. We are here on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm sending a general message, hello. And immediately our chatbot responds with, hey there, thanks for trying out our new product, we love your feedback. It will only take 2 minutes and there's a little reward in the end. So I'm going to respond with, okay, let's start. And it will ask me for my email address. Please provide your email address so we can send you updates. So here I'm sending my email address. What's your first impression of the product? Feel free to type a short response. So here I will say, I love the product, it's very convenient and easy to use. We have registered your response as I love the product, it's very convenient and easy to use, kindly give us a rating. So I will give them a rating. How has your experience been so far using the product? How many stars would you like to give us out of 5? So here I will say 4.5. Thanks so much for giving us 4.5 stars. As a token of appreciation, here's a discount code just for you. Feedback 10. Stay tuned, more exciting things are coming soon. So this is how our chatbot works. This chatbot was created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create it, first we need to open a new tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you're an existing user, click on sign in, and if you're a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all the apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. As you click on Access Now button, it will take you to Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. To add WhatsApp number to Pabbly Chatflow, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number and you will see 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. When you click on Manual Token Connect, it will ask for Meta Access Token which you can generate from Facebook Meta for Developers. To learn more about how to add a WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow, you can watch this video, or to learn more, you can check the description box. As you navigate on the left side of Pabbly Chatflow, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through them one by one. Firstly, Dashboard. It gives you an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next, Inbox replies to all the incoming customer conversations. Contact stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. Team Queues helps in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Templates are pre-built chatbot flows that you can use directly or customize according to your needs. Next up, we have Broadcast, which allows you to send bulk messages or announcements to multiple users at once. Next, we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot. So we are going to access Flows. To do that, click on Flows and then choose the Flows option. Here we can see total number of flows, active flows and inactive flows, and list of all the flows that we have created so far. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it to something more relevant. Here I'm naming it as New Product Launch. Now you can see there is a flow start box, under which we have an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords to activate the chatbot. But we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short form for regular expression and it will safely trigger on any word. Either it is a short text or full paragraphs, messy inputs or clean inputs. It will trigger on everything. To use regex, we need to use a specific format, which is this. You can use this exact same regex to activate the chatbot with any word. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Once we are done with our basic setup, we are going to move ahead with curating our first message. And to do that, we need to access text button. Here we are going to add our first message. I'm adding our message will look something like this. Hey there, thanks for trying out our new product. We'd love to hear about your feedback. It'll only take 2 minutes and there's a little reward at the end. Now we will add some quick replies. Here I'm adding, okay, let's start, and no, maybe, later. Once you're done with curating your first message, you need to attach it with your flow start box. Now we will generate responses for each of our quick replies. So if the user responds us with no, maybe, later, then we will say, that's okay, some other time maybe, have a good day. However, if the user wishes to give us a feedback, then we will begin the process of collecting their information first. And for that, we need to go to the action type nodes and then click on ask question to get a question box. Here you can enter any question you want. Here I'm adding, please provide your email address so we can send you updates. Here you can see there is an option to add contact custom field. And to use this, first we need to curate a contact custom field. And to do that, we need to save our flow first. And once the flow is updated successfully, we will go to the settings and then we will choose this third option. Here are some default contact custom fields under which there are some contact custom fields. To create a customized field, click on add one more field and here you can add your field name and your field description and you're good to go. Save your field and then you can go back to your flows. As I've already created contact custom fields, now we can choose them from the drop down. Here I'm choosing email address and in format I will choose email. Here it gives the user number of attempts. You can give the user multiple number of attempts. I will provide 2 and you can also enter validation error messages. And now I will attach our question box with this quick response. Once the user has provided us with the details, we can move ahead with the feedback procedure. And for that, again, go to the action type nodes and then click on ask question to add a question box. Here I'm adding, what was your first impression of the product? Feel free to add a short response. Here we are again using the contact custom field and this time I'm using add. And here in the format I will select any. And then I will attach both of the questions. Once the user responds with their first impression, we are going to create another response for it. Here I will add, we have registered your response as $add. Here I have added a $sign next to add because in this way it will be replaced by the actual response sent by the user. Then we will ask them to kindly give us a rating. Here I will add rate us. And in another text button I will add that's all. If the user responds us with no, that's all, we are going to attach it with the same message we created earlier that say that's okay, some other time maybe. However, if the user wishes to rate us, then we will add a question box and here I'm adding, how has your experience been so far using the product? How many stars would you like to give us out of 5? This time I'm going to select contact custom field as add and in format I will select number. I will add minimum number of rating as 1 and maximum number of rating as 5. Here I have only provided one attempt. You can give multiple attempts to the user. Then we are going to attach this quick reply with our question box and we can move ahead with our last message. Here I'm adding, thank you so much for giving us add stars, which will be replaced by number of stars given by the user. As a token of appreciation, here's a special discount code just for you, feedback 10. Stay tuned for more exciting things coming up soon. So this is how we have created our new product launch chatbot, which will automate the whole process of collecting feedback and it will save so much of your time and energy. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.